No.
Hello everybody, today I'm back with another video with this nice comb here, the one that I found, and I got a tutorial on the index rollover. Here's what it looks like. So, to do the move, you're gonna hold it on either handle, because when you flip it out around, you're just gonna end up catching the other handle. But when you're on a safe handle, when you're catching it, the blade can come this way, and if your thumb is here or your finger's here, it might get hit. So be cautious of that. Now, to do it, you're gonna hold it here. You're gonna fling out the other handle like that. You're gonna move all of your other fingers, your middle, ring, pinky, and thumb out. Let momentum carry it around like this. Catch the other handle and give it a flick back up. All right, let's do it again. You're gonna flick out the other handle, move your fingers away, let it spin, spin, and come back up. All right, this could be done vertically, where you go like that, or horizontally, where you go like this. But the vertical one is easier if you're just gonna do around like that, but the knife does not open when you in like other moves, like the let's say helix, for example. You're gonna flip it around your thumb like that, and do the index rollover. As you can see, it's horizontal like that. And there are many different ways to do this move, and it's in a lot of other ones as well. This is one of the moves where you're gonna have to keep practicing and practicing, because the first time you do it, you're gonna drop it like that. And so yeah, keep on practicing, and then you'll get it. Alright guys, that's all there is to the index rollover. So here it is one more time. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Take care.